Hi guys, welcome to Black Moon Goddess Intuition. I'm Black Moon. I'm just here at my spot. Haven't been here in a while, so I thought I'd share. Let me see. So sometimes you just need to get out in nature and then. Oh no! I just dropped my crystal in the water. You see, I got my incense burning. Just dropped my lapis in the water. So I'm going to get it. That was a blessing. That was a blessing. So I got my hiking shoes on. Something just dropped in the water. From where? Like it made a big doof noise. Did he throw something over here or what? Anyways, just showing you guys a little bit of my space and how I meditate sometimes. You see other people come and put their offerings out as well. So this is a very popular spot in Atlanta for spirituality and meditation and just getting in tune with nature. We've got a canopy here. I love this place. The waterfall used to be a lot more water. They've put a lot of things up here, like the gate. These little bird things were not up here. So they've extracted it a little bit. It's not how it used to be when I first used to come, but I still love the energy and I love the space. So if you guys are ever down in Atlanta, check out Cascade Springs. It is a trail. So it does have a walking trail as well. All right. So we're going to do a bit of a meditation while I'm here. So if you guys would like to join me, honing your energy, find your sacred space, I'm going to use my fluorite and my black tourmaline to meditate. So if you'd like to join me, tune in now. Find your quiet space. I'm going to light some sage. Y'all forgive my setup. But I thought I'd share. Sometimes we need nature. Sometimes we need nature to detoxify our energy and our aura. Okay? So if you're catching this on the replay, hit up the replay. Do this with me. Okay? I got my other crystals here. I got my garnet. I got my bonzonite. I got my clear quartz. I got my lapis that just fell in the water. My fluorite and my black tourmaline. I got my sage burning. I got my sandalwood incense burning over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, all right. So we're going to get into the meditation, okay? Clear your mind. I'm going to do my mudra for effortless contemplation. My mind and body rest in effortless contemplation. My mind and body rest in effortless contemplation. Clear your mind. What is pressing for you? Yesterday was the new moon. So what is it that you're trying to receive? What is it that you're trying to bring in? What is it that you're trying to realize within yourself, within your relationships, within your spiritual goals, okay? So just be with me now. I'm going to be quiet, okay? Hear the water. My mind and body rest in effortless contemplation. My mind and body rest in effortless contemplation. My mind and body rest in effortless contemplation. Just a few minutes, okay? I did bring me some cards, so I will pull a couple of cards real quick. Just a quick little time, you know, to yourself to reconnect and re-cleanse your energy. One moment. Scammers trying to get your girl. Posing as a job. Alright. So I do have my cards here. Gonna pull a couple of cards. Hopefully nothing is in the way. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna pull 3 cards. That was a terrible, terrible shuffle. I'm in a bad angle, guys. So I don't want to like straddle the camera with y'all. So just work with me. Like I said, if you guys get a chance, come down here to Cascade Springs. Enjoy nature. You know, enjoy the waterfall. Which it used to be a waterfall, not so much anymore. But it's still nature and it's still water. So, you know. Thank you guys, Spirit, for allowing me to be here and connect with nature and your greatest in your greatness. Thank you for allowing me to commune with the water, the birds, the trees, the rocks, the dirt. Thank you for your abundance. Thank you for everything that you give me. Thank you for everything that you take away. Can you give me a message for the collective? 3 cards. 3 cards. 3 cards. Okay, I don't like that. Let's do this. We're going to shuffle this way because apparently the other way. All right, we got 2 cards. We got the Wheel of Fortune, and we have the 3 of Pentacles, and we have the 8 of Pentacles. So there's definitely some collaborations, and we got the Sun on the bottom of the deck, guys. Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, and the Sun. So this is definitely telling me that things are happening in divine timing, just as they're supposed to. You're going to be coming into collaboration and working on things with people, networking. There's also, I see there's a lot of pentacles here, so this could be having to do with some type of business investment or someone investing in your business, helping you to meticulate and get the details specific on what it is that you're trying to do. Things that there's cobwebs up here, so things that you have maybe forgotten about that can bring you revenue or bring you some type of work security. I think you're going to be taking them off the shelf and polishing them off and getting back to the basics, really creating things. I feel like a lot of you have a creative energy, a creative space. So I think that this may be something that's advantageous for you. So get back out into nature. Enjoy the seasons. As the seasons change, new opportunities come. The wheel of fortune is always turning. The wheel of fortune will turn in your favor, bringing you the people and places that you need to network with. I also feel like it's like kind of like the right space, the right time. Use this energy of the new moon to bring in everything that you want. If this resonates with you, drop me a comment, drop me a emoji. Just let me know that you're out there, you're feeling me here. All right. If you like more content of me going out on location and doing things that I do, let me know, you know. So I'm going to pull one more. Can I get one more, please? What is the advice of this spread? What is the advice? I love it out here, guys. I had to get here before it got cold. I don't do the cold. I'm not going to be out here hiking in the cold. All right, one more. And then I'm going to pack up and I'm going to show you guys the trail, okay? All right, one more, please, Spirit. What is the advice, please, Spirit? What is the advice, please, Spirit? I'm hearing trust and have faith. Everything happens in divine timing. Wheel of fortune. Everything is happening in divine timing. One more, please, Spirit. One more, please, Spirit. One more. We got we got three. We got the Six of Pentacles. We got the Ace of Pentacles. And we have the Ten of Cups. This is all happening for your greatest and highest good. So don't fret. Don't worry. If you need peace, find you a peaceful place. This is my peaceful place. If I can't go into my meditation room, which I've created a space in my home, if you don't have that luxury, find you a place that brings you peace. Find you a place where you can settle your mind, settle your thoughts, commune with nature. Even if it's just going out in your backyard and setting up a little blanket out there and communing with nature. It's really important, okay? So, look, leaves are falling on me, okay? I'm going to get packed up here. If you guys want to join me, that's great. I am going to, show you guys the trail as I walk up out of here. So, I loved being out here in the nature. I really did. I really enjoy being able to come out. Okay. Things are falling. Things are falling. But that's fine. When one door closes, another one opens, right? Okay, guys. I'm going to show you the way up out of here. Gotta close up my bag. Alright. Stick that in there. Okay, guys, we're about to get up out of here. I'm gonna grab my stick. Everything is falling all over the place, guys. It's very interesting. Alrighty. We're gonna start our journey here. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see. I need to pick my path here. Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
Do you know possibly where this waterfall is? The one that's at the top right corner?
That would be that one.
Oh, that is that one.
Yeah. The water has dwindled tremendously. All of this stuff that they have up here is new. It wasn't like this at all.
Wow. Okay.
Right. That's what I said when I came. I was like, what happened to my waterfall?
They found it. They changed it a lot.
They put the gate up there. Their water used to flow through that tunnel right there.
Yeah.
And that's where that little trickle right there used to be like
an actual waterfall.
Yes, it was an actual waterfall.
Okay, all right. Let me call her manager and let her manager know, because I don't know if they're gonna still want to shoot here.
Yeah, they used to do a lot of shoots here, but this is new. Like, I haven't been here in like a year. Yeah. And the last time I came, they had the gate up there. Now they got all these stringy things and all this stuff.
Hi. So I'm here at the park. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I was asking the ladies where the waterfall was.
See? It's a very popular destination. They do photo shoots here. They've casted movies here. So just a little bit of my little secret oasis in the city. We got a waterfall in the middle of the hood. Much needed. This is Cascade Park Reserve. Cascade Springs Park Reserve. Just so you guys can get a peek of the trail that I'm walking. $11:22 on the clock. That's a good omen. This is the boardwalk leading out of the park. This used to be flowing with water. It used to be flowing with water. It's changed so much. But it's still nature, and I still like coming up here. So, you guys ever in Atlanta and you want to go catch a nice trail, go hiking, come down to Cascade Springs. I love it. You guys just saw what used to be a waterfall, but there's still water. Come out, meditate, meet some people. They do shoot here sometimes, so it might be crowded. smoky shit. So that's blessings. Play your music. I do readings up here sometimes. Most of the time I just come up here and meditate and commune with nature. Okay. So again, if you guys like this kind of content where I'm just showing you what I do on the day-to-day to keep my energy in tuned and things of that nature, how I meditate, where I meditate, that kind of thing. My book bag opened up. So, all right. So, I am glad I got to come out. Got my stick, got my water, you know. I'm glad you guys are joining me. You see my lock journey. So, got my book bag. Haven't been out here in so long. I really enjoy my little time out here. I'm gonna try and come back before it gets cold. I might have to bundle up a little bit, but if I just have to put on a jacket and some sweatpants and my sneakers instead of my water shoes. Hold on. Instead of my water shoes, my beach shoes, then it's all gravy. No, a lot of people aren't used to maybe trying to get out in nature. So take a hike, take a walk, go swimming. The energy is great. It's not hot. It's not cold. It's perfect out here. It was a perfect time for me to go. I had procrastinated about coming today. I was like, oh no, I'll wait. But then something was like, go ahead and go. Even if it's just for a little minute. Because usually I come out here and I spend a couple of hours. But I don't have that kind of time today. But because I did make time for nature, for God, even if it was just for a few minutes, even if it wasn't, intensive, make that time, commune. Wow, look at the tree. It's a big tree that fell. Huge tree. We're coming on to the parking lot, guys. We're walking on up out of here. Thank you guys for joining me at Black Moon Goddess Intuition.